Students, today I am going to take the topic the incidents that took place after the formation of the National Assembly. While the National Assembly was busy in making the constitution, there was disturbance all over France in rural areas as well as in urban areas. That year there was severe winter and the farmers had got bad crop. The result was that the price of bread hiked up, the bakery shops started storing bread. Once there was a long row of women standing in front of the bakery shops. For a long time they were standing outside. They did not get bread. It was too much to bear for them. The result was that they stormed into the shop and looted it. In the meantime, the king had deployed army into Paris. Rumors came to public that the troops would start fire upon the citizens. The agitated people, numbering about 7,000 men and women both, assembled in front of the central hall and formed people's militia, means the military group of the people of a country. These people set out in search of arms and ammunition and searched the government buildings for having it. A large agitated crowd entered the Basil prison, hoping to find the stored arms and ammunition. As a result, battle started between the people's militia and the government security guards. In the battle, the commander of the prison was killed. Although there were merely 7 persons into the jail, even uh, it was considered as the symbol of despotic rule of the monarch in France. After the destruction of the Basil prison, its bricks and stones were sold at the marketplace to keep it as a memory of its destruction. Rumors also came to the people that in rural areas the nobility had hired the dacoits for the destruction of the ripe crop. The result was that the peasants attacked the castles of nobles having hoes and pitchforks in their hands. They looted the granaries and burnt the records of the peasants' unpaid feudal taxes. Consequently, the nobles left their castles and took shelter in the neighboring countries. That's all for today. Thank you.